Hello, today my group member consists of me, Muhammad Rashid, Muhammad Mikael Haikal, Muhammad Arif Fahan, and Muhammad Akmal Saifullah will talk briefly about diode. What is a diode? Diode is a two-terminal electronic component that conducts electric current primarily in one direction. It's symmetric conductance. It has a low, ideally zero resistance in one direction and high, ideally infinite resistance in the others. Diodes are P and N junction that turn on at a specific voltage.
So as you can see, this is schematic diagram and symbol of diode. Next, I will explain diode in forward bias. So the positive battery is connected to the P type and the negative battery is connected to the N type. And for the anode is connected to positive battery and cathode is connected to negative battery.
Okay guys, this is a diode in reverse bias. As you can see, this is the circuit for diode in reverse bias. When the anode is connect to the negative terminal and the cathode connect to the positive terminal, holes and electrons are pulled away from the junction, increasing the depletion region, and depletion layer become bigger and there is no current flow.
Knee voltage for a silicon diode is a 0.7 volt and germanium diode is 0.3 volt. Forward current: more the voltage, the less the resistance of the junction and the current will increase. Reverse current: electrons in n-type material is attracted to the positive terminal of voltage supply. This will cause the depletion region become larger.
In this video, we're gonna test a silicon diode using multimeter to see whether the diode is good or damaged. When the positive multimeter probe touch the leg of negative cathode and negative probe touch the positive anode, as you can see, the multimeter will have some reading. Then we touch the positive probe to positive anode and negative probe to negative cathode. The multimeter will not have a reading. That indicates that the diode is in a good condition. Meanwhile, the damaged diode will not have the same result. If you touch the positive probe multimeter to negative cathode diode and negative probe multimeter touch to the leg of positive anode, the multimeter will have a zero reading. And we do the same with this. We touch the positive anode to the positive probe and negative cathode to negative probe. As you can see, the reading will also zero. And that indicates that this diode is a damaged diode and is not usable. That is all for me.